Hello viewers, today we are going to learn addition of fractions. Let's start our today's video. Example, we have to add 1 over 6 and 4 over 5. We know that these are not like fractions because their denominators are not same. So in order to solve these fractions, we first convert these fractions into like fractions. It means that we have to convert in fractions with similar denominators. For this purpose, we will find the LCM of the denominator, that is 30. We know that if we calculate the LCM of 5 and 6, it will be 30. So in order to make these fractions like fractions, we will multiply denominator in such a way that it becomes equal to the LCM. As LCM is 30 and we have fraction 1 over 6, we will multiply denominator 6 with 5 to make it 30. Similarly, we will multiply 1 with 5. Why we will multiply 1 with 5? Because we have multiplied the denominator with by 5, so we have to multiply the numerator with the same figure, because we are going to change the face of the fraction but the real value will remain the same. Similarly, we will convert 4 over 5 into like fraction. In order to convert it into like fraction, we will multiply 5 with 6 to make it 30, that is LCM. And similarly, we will multiply 4 with 6, it will become 24. We have multiplied both numerator and denominator with 6 in order to make it 24 over 30. Now we have converted the figures into fractions, into the like fractions. And now it is very simple to add these fractions. In order to add, now we have just add the numerators and we will find the desired results, because denominators are the same. So we will add only the numerators and answer is there, that is 29 over 30. Look at another scenario, that we have two figures in such a way that one is 1 over 6 and the second one is only 1. It's a whole number, it's not a fraction, but we can divide any number with 1 to convert it into fraction, and results remain the same. So we can write it as 1 over 1. Now in order to convert these into like fractions, we will find LCM, that is 6. We will multiply numerators in such a way that it becomes equal to the LCM. In order to make 6 equal to the LCM, that is 6, we only have to multiply it with 1, and it is 6. And similarly, 1 into 1 will remain the same, that is 1. Look at the second figure, that was 1 over 1. We have to convert 1 in such a way that it becomes equal to the LCM. So we will multiply 1 with 6 to make it 6, and once again we will multiply the numerator also with the 6, because with what figure we multiply the denominator, we have to multiply the numerator too, so that the figure or original value remains the same. It will be converted into 6 over 6. Now it is very common that when we add the figure, same figure, like fractions, we have same denominator, we will just add the numerator, that is 1 and 6, and the answer will be 7. Similarly, next topic is that subtraction of the fractions. Process will remain the same like the addition. initial process will be the same, that converting the figure into like fraction, fraction into like fraction, unlike fraction into like fraction. We'll take the LCM, multiply numerator and denominator in such a way that the fractions become like fractions. Here we have 4 over 5, and we'll multiply 6 with 6 to make bring them equal to make them equal to the LCM, that is 30. Similarly, we multiply 4 with 6, it will be 24. As the figure is 1 over 6, we will multiply 6 with 5 to make it 30, that is LCM. And once we have multiplied the denominator with 5, we will multiply the numerator with 5 too, it will be 5 over 30. Now once we have the like fractions, it is very easy now to subtract one fraction from the other, that is 24 over 30 minus 5 over 30. So we will simply subtract 24, 5 out of 24 will be 19, and the answer will be 19 over 30.